So hello everyone, welcome back to another class. And today, as mentioned in orientation, we're going to solve not past AMC problems. We're going to solve a few AMC 8 problems. So we're going to solve number 1 through number 10. I will upload the source of these problems after the session. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And also, we're going to solve 1 through 10 today. And then next week, I'm planning to solve 11 through 15, and then 16 through 20. And then we're going to wrap up this mock test with 21 through 25. So, and the reason why I chose to solve 10 problems today is because those problems, like number 1 through 10, is comparably easier than the other problems. So let's start with number 1. Uh, Diana, um, did you get the answer for number 1? Okay. So is there anyone who solved number 1 here? 1번 문제 푸신 분이 있으시면 말씀해 주셔도 됩니다. Okay, you got C. Uh, yes, thank you. Okay, so do you mind explaining this problem to us, or should I just explain it? Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, so everyone got C here. Uh, but um, I think I should explain number 1, even though everyone got it right here, because there are a few students who are not here yet. So, and they might not have solved number 1 yet. So I'll just quickly explain it. Since you guys know how to solve it. So number 1, did you guys did you guys actually calculate everything, or did you guys use any tricks? If you use any tricks, please tell me. I want to know which tricks you guys used. Okay, then I'm assuming that everyone just calculated from here. But I mean, like, just by looking at this, try and calculate like 8 squared minus 9 squared, or like minus 9 squared, negative 9 squared plus 10 squared. It seems quite, I'll say, painful. So let's use factorization here. I think that's quite, that will be easier. So we have 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 4 squared minus 3 squared. We can do this, right? We're just rearranging the terms. And we have 5 squared plus 7 squared minus 6 squared plus 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 9 squared. So this is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 25 plus 7 plus 6 plus 64 plus 10 plus 9. So we get 5 plus 7 plus 25 plus 13 plus 64 plus 19. And let's calculate this. We get 12 here, we get 25 here, we get 50 here. When we add them, we get 83, so we have 133. And our answer is indeed C. Because everyone got this one correct, I'm assuming there's no question here, but do you guys have any question based on this solution? Because you might have used other solutions. Okay, so if you guys don't have other questions, let's move on to number 2. Did anyone solve number 2 here? Can anyone or like, can anyone share your answers for number two? 2번 문제 푸셨다면 답을 보내주세요. Okay, so I guess not everyone was able to solve number two, and it's totally fine. Let's read it together. Below is a 4 by 4 puzzle with each row, column, and quadrant with the digits 1 and 4 each. Each use ones with no repetitions. What number should replace the question mark? So it's just basically asking us a really simple Sudoku, right? Does anyone, so I guess everyone knows the game Sudoku here, right? Is there anyone who doesn't know the game Sudoku? Oh, so I guess, okay, if everyone knows Sudoku, then let's solve this fun puzzle together. We have 4, 3, 2, and naturally we should have 1 here. We have 1, 2, and 4. We have 3. We're missing 3 here. We have 1, something, 3, and 4. And obviously 2 is missing here. And therefore, this question mark should be 1. So our answer is A. Did everyone get it? Do you have any questions? Okay, I'm assuming. So please, everyone, if I ask you if you have a question or not, or if you solve this problem or not, please you guys can message me or you guys can just speak. I think it's better to communicate with each other rather than only me speaking here. Um, okay, number three. Did everyone solve number three? 혹시 3번 문제 다들 푸셨나요? Okay, if you guys didn't solve it, 만약 못 푸셨다면, you can say, I couldn't solve it or I didn't solve it. 네, 못 푸셨으면 못 푸셨다고 말씀해 주시면 감사하겠습니다. Wait, am I lagging or am I lagging? Because I should be, I mean, you guys hear me, right? Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Okay, thank you. So let's go over number six, number three. There's someone who couldn't solve number three yet. So, okay. If f of x equals x squared minus x minus 7, what is the value of this? So we need to find this one first. Does anyone know what this is? What is f of 3? Diana, do you mind explaining this to us, the value of f of 3? Okay, then I'll just explain it. So f of 3 means to substitute 3 into x here. So we have 3 squared minus 3 minus 7, and this is equal to, um, everyone, can you please give me the answer for this? What is 3 squared minus 3 minus 7? You guys can speak, you guys can just say it, blur it out, or either, or message me. 지금 이거 계산하신 다음에 답을 말씀해 주셔도 되고 아니면 채팅으로 보내주셔도 됩니다. Uh, okay. Wait, if this is hard, I don't think that's the right answer. So, wait, actually, how? No, never mind. So this means, okay, does anyone know what this is? 이거의 의미를 다들 아시나요? Can anyone please respond? Okay, 3 squared, 3 squared means 3 times 3. It means we are going to multiply 3 two times. Um, so knowing that, yes, Isabel, that's right answer. And thank you, Jian, for letting us know. So we have 9 minus 3 minus 7 equals -1. We found the value of f of 3. Then what is? Now we need to find f of -1, right? Because we know that f of 3 is equal to -1. Then simply we need to find what is the value of f of -1. Can anyone calculate this for me? You guys can just say it, or you guys can um, send me a message. Let's ask um our TA, Jian Choi, Mr. Jian. Mr. Jian, are you here? Okay. So can you please calculate the value of f of -1? Um, we are in number 3 right now, and we want to calculate the value of f of -1 in number 3. Yeah. So I'll start writing it. -7, right? Yes, thank you. Mr. Jian said the answer is -5, and it is indeed -5. Do you guys have any question until here? Okay, if not, let's finish our calculation. Now we need to find this one. And Mr. Jian, can you please tell us the answer for this one? Or can you please explain it? I will write it here if you speak it. If you speak, I will write it. Oh, okay. So maybe he has technical problem. Then I'll start calculating this. This is 25 plus 5 minus 7, which is 23, right? Yes, thank you. And therefore, our answer is D. Did everyone understand this problem, or do you guys have any questions? Yeah, I will assume that, thank you. I will assume that you guys don't have any questions right now. So I think I need to say this one more time, but please, please, respond like to the questions I'm giving you. Like, and the reason is because like I know like I'm just a high school student. I'm only a student too, like you guys. But so that's why I don't want to become like a speaker. So because I'm merely a high school student, I just want to study with you guys, not like teach or do something. So if I'm the only one speaking, then I become the main speaker, and which is not an ideal situation because I want everyone to speak together and um, collaborate to solve a problem together. So, I mean, as you guys know, I'm here to volunteer, right? And I want to make a collaborative, like, I mean, environment where our idea is we're going to solve this problem together, not I will teach you guys this problem. So that's the kind of mindset that I have right now. And if you guys don't like respond to my questions, then we cannot form that kind of atmosphere, right? So if I ask you guys any questions or like even if you guys have any questions, please ask me freely. I actually want you guys to speak more instead of only me speaking. Yes. Thank you. Let's move on to number four. Number four. Daniel and I mean M and N is through a circle. M says, my circle has a circumference of 36 pi. N says, my circle has an area of 36 pi. This is not a factorial because if it is factorial, there should be a dot period here, but there is not, so it's just an exclamation mark. Assuming that they are both telling the truth, what is the ratio of the radius of N circle and M circle? Okay, is there anyone who solved this problem? 혹시 이 문제 푸신 분 계실까요? Okay, so thank you. Someone told me he couldn't solve it yet. Um, then let's do number four together. 다들 이 문제는 이해하셨죠? 혹시 circumference랑 area의 뜻을 안 배우신 분 계신가요? Uh, okay. So, Mr. Jian, can you please explain the meaning of circumference? Yes. Oh, thank you. So he just explained to us that circumference is so let there be a circle like this, and circumference is um, the perimeter of a circle. And I'm assuming you guys know the area. So circumference is known as 2 pi r, and area is equal to pi r squared. So we are going to use this right now. Um, my circle has a circumference of 36 pi. Okay, then it means I will just use m for Michael's circle's radius. It's equal to 36 pi, so therefore m equals 18. And the area of 36, okay, so pi n squared is equal to 36 pi. Therefore, n is equal to 6. What is the ratio of n circle, the radius, what is the ratio of the radius of n circle to the m circle? So we are finding m to m, which is 6 to 18, which is 1 to 3, which is simply 1 over 3, and that is C. Did you guys understand? Or do you have any questions? Okay, thank you. So guess everyone understood the problem and the solution. 제가 아까 말씀드렸다시피, 제가 약간 질문 같은 걸 하거나, 아니면 혹시 이 문제 푸셨나요? 아니면 등등의 질문을 하면 네, 저에게 답을 해주셨으면 너무 감사할 것 같아요. 왜냐하면 네, 저도 여러분 같은 학생이에요. 저도 아직 고등학생밖에 안 됐기 때문에 저도 같은 학생인지라 제가 사실 이게 약간 제가 수업이라고는 하지만 약간 저는 수업보다는 같이 공부하는 형태였으면 좋겠어요. 그래서 함께 말을 하며 어 함께 네, 상의를 하면서 같이 문제를 푼다라는 마인드셋으로 저는 지금 이 시간을 보내고 있는 거거든요. 그래서 저도 아직 학생인지라 막 여러분들을 가르치겠다. 이 문제를 여러분들에게 가르쳐 드려야겠다. 이것보다는 다 같이 문제를 어떻게 하면 이 문제를 풀까라고 고민하는 방식으로 저는 이 스케줄 짰는데요. 여러분들이 약간 그 대답이 없으시면 항상 like I'm the only main speaker, right? So 여러분들이 대답을 안 해주시면 말하는 사람이 저밖에 없기 때문에 어쩔 수 없이 제가 약간 문제를 가르쳐 드리게 되는 거거든요. 그래서 저는 다 함께 다 같이 문제를 푼다는 생각으로 지금 여기 있는 거기 때문에 네, 제가 질문을 하거나 아니면 약간 설명을 해줄 수 있냐라고 제가 여쭤보면 yes or no 등등의 네, 대답을 해주셨으면 너무 감사할 것 같습니다. Okay, let's move on. Thank you. Let's move on to number five. A sells apple. He sold two-thirds. Wait, what? He sold two or three-thirds of them to Billy. I think this is a typo. Sorry. Andy sells apples. He sold two over three-thirds of them. Wait. I think it's right. So he sold two-thirds of them to Billy. Then C came and bought one half of the remaining apples, leaving A with only four left. How many apples did B buy? Did everyone try this problem? Yes or no? Oh, okay. So I don't think everyone tried this problem yet, but okay. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. So, okay. So not everyone could. Not everyone attempted this problem. Yeah. So, but because we need to solve until number 10 and we have 30 minutes, I think we should start solving this problem together. Okay, I will be asking questions to you guys. Please don't be surprised. Also, even though you guys are introvert, I mean, you might be extroverts, I don't know, like, but even if you're introvert, please feel free to answer. So A sells his apples. Okay, so let total number of apple be equal to X. Then A has X apples, right? Is this correct, Diana? Okay. Then B, A sold two-thirds of them to B, right? So B has 2 over 3x. And now C came and bought one half of the remaining. So it's 1 over 2 times 1 over 3x, right? Because the remaining is 1/3 of x. Now, how many apples do Andy have right now? So Andy used to have x, um, a original, a new. So A used to have X, but he sold two-thirds to B and sold this much to C. So calculating, we get 1 over 6x, right? Because, wait, is it 1 over 6? Yes, it is 1 over 6. Um, I'll write them. We have 1 over 3x minus 1 over 6x, and this is simply 1 over 6x. And they said 1 over 6x is equal to 4 because A had 4 left. Therefore, x is equal to 24. Now, how many apples did B buy? We can just substitute. So we have 2 over 3 times 24 equals 16. And indeed, B is our answer. Do you guys have any question? Or do you guys understand the problem? Thank you, Mr. Chiang. Uh, okay. So actually, to be honest, I have no, never mind. Okay. Let's solve number 6, and then I think we need to rejoin because my time is running out for Zoom. Um, Number 6. Ben has a box of donuts. Oops. And he has more than 3 donuts. When he tries to put his donuts in group of 4, 15 or 24, there are 3 donuts left over. What is the least possible number of donuts in the box? Um, did you guys learn about mod? I'm assuming, okay, so 혹시 이런 거 보신 적 있으신가요? Wait, Mr. Jian, you saw this? Can you, okay. Wait, you couldn't use your mic, right? Wait, John, you also saw this one before. Uh, is can anyone please explain what this means to me? Like, I'm quite surprised right now. Can you guys explain it to me? John, you said okay, okay. Mr. Jian, can you briefly explain what this means? Okay. So we need to use this in order to solve number 6. 사실 이거 안 써도 되긴 해요. 왜냐면 다른 방법으로도 풀 수 있긴 때문에요. 네, 사실 제가 왜 이걸 다들 보셨다고 했을 때 왜 깜짝 놀랐냐면 이거 사실 대학교 가서 배우는 거거든요. 이거 대학 과정에 나오는 거기 때문에 고등 과정에는 안 나와요. 그래서 제가 사실 깜짝 놀랐어요. 근데 이게 대충 무슨 뜻이냐면 음, we need to think about clock arithmetic and that's a little more advanced. 그래서 이거 사실 되게 깊게 들어가면 저도 깊게는 알지 못하지만 이거에 대해서 조금 자세히 설명하면 되게 어려워져서 그냥 간단히 말씀드리자면 mean of division? I don't think that's quite right. So 이게 사실 should I explain this or not? Um, it stands for modulo. So it means I will just write it out. A is congruent to x modulo. 근데 이게 사실 그 클럽 어리트메틱 쓰고 막 하면 되게 복잡해지거든요. 그래서 이런 거 하면 되게 복잡해지니까 그냥 간단하게 이 의미를 설명해 드리자면요. 사실 이게 A congruent to X mod n의 정의는 아니에요. 근데 간단히 이게 무슨 뜻이냐면 A를 A를 n으로 나누었을 때 X가 나머지이다. 이 뜻이거든요. 네, sorry, my handwriting for Korean is not great. But 이게 간단히 말씀드리면 무슨 뜻이냐면 A라는 숫자를 n으로 나눴을 때 나머지가 x이다. 이 뜻이어서 사실 저희가 이거를 써야 되긴 해요. 이 문제를 풀 때. 6번 문제 풀 때, 이 컨셉을 사용하긴 해야 되는데, although it's not like a necessary thing in order to solve this problem, I just quite wanted to introduce the symbol modulo because it's really useful when doing AMC, maybe AMC 8, like problem 20 to 25, or in AMC 10, number like 15 to 25. And it definitely comes out in like higher level math like AME, USAMO, and IMO. So that's why I just quickly wanted to introduce the symbol. So let's rewrite the question. 네, 근데 사실 이제 저희 6번 문제를 풀도록 할 건데요. 제가 저번에도 말씀드렸다시피 제가 지금 프리 플랜에 있는 거라서 시간 제한이 있어요. 근데 제가 이 미팅에 시간 제한이 얼마 남지 않았기 때문에 다 같이 이 미팅을 나가셨다가 바로 rejoin 해주셨으면 너무 감사하겠습니다. Can anyone do that? Like right now? Can we do that right now? So I'm on a free plan, so can you guys please rejoin the Zoom? Thank you. Okay, sorry everyone for the inconvenience, and let's continue our number six. So if we read number six again, we have Ben has a box of donuts and he has more than three donuts. When he tries to put his donut in groups of four, 15 or 25, there are three donuts left over. Haha. What is the least possible number of donuts in the box? Okay, so in order to solve this problem, let x equals the total. Oh my goodness. Number of donuts. I'll just write it out. Okay, now when he tries to put his donuts in groups of four, which means when he tries to divide the number x by four, the remainder 3 occurs. So it's congruent to 3 mod 4. If we do the same, it's congruent to 3 mod 15, 3 mod. 네, 제가 지금 여기서부터 두 가지의 방법을 보여드릴 건데요. 첫 번째는 이해를 못 하셔도 전혀 상관없습니다. 왜냐하면 제가 말씀드렸다시피 이 기호는 그 대학 과정에 나오는 기호이기 때문에 네, 제가 첫 번째 그냥 설명을 드릴 때는 이렇게 알gebraic하게 풀 수 있는 문제구나라고 네, 그냥 그렇게만 이해하시면 될 것 같고요. In the second solution, but I expect you guys to understand my second solution. 네, 첫 번째는 어떻게 풀면 될까요? 네, 이렇게 쓸 수 있죠. 일단 plus 3. x는 4k plus 3다. 이렇게 써도 전혀 문제가 없죠. Yes or no? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. 네, 자, 그러면 이거를 다시 여기다 넣어봅시다. 그래서 4k plus 3 is congruent to 3 mod 4, 50. 사실 여기 넣어도 상관없긴 한데 그냥 I mean like you know 음, 사실 이 나눠도 되기는 하는데 네, 4랑 15가 서로소이잖아요. 그래서 나눠도 전혀 문제는 없어요. 이렇게. 근데 이게 24잖아요? 그러면 문제가 생겨요. 그래서 that's why we chose number 15. 자, 그러면 K는 뭐라고 쓸 수 있죠? Can anyone please answer? K는 네, 괜찮습니다. 15K 프라임이라 쓸 수 있죠? 네, 그럼 15K 프라임을 여기다 다시 집어넣어 볼게요. 그래서 15K prime is congruent to 3 mod 24. 자, 근데 이거 사실 여기서부터 진짜 복잡해지긴 하는데, 뭐, 유클리드 호재법 쓰고 해야 되는데, 굳이 그렇게 안 풀어도 돼요. 그래서, 그냥 이렇게 푸는 방법이 있다라고 그냥 알려드리고 싶었고요. What is the least possible? 그래서 지금 x 값의 최소값을 구하는 거니까, k 값의 최소값을 구해야 되죠. We need to find the minimum value for k. And if you want to find the minimum value of k, we want to find the minimum value of k prime, right? 네. 근데 사실 아, if I use this, it becomes quite okay. 네, 일단 써보도록 하겠습니다. We know that 15k prime is equal to should I do this or not? I mean, we have enough time, right? I mean, it gets quite dirty from here. Um, yeah, then I'll go with the easy method. So 24 doesn't work, 48 doesn't work. No, actually, you know what? You know what? I think we have to do that. 사실 여기서부터 유클리드 호접법 쓰고 해야 되긴 해요. 왜냐면 지금 답을 보니까 the answer choices are greater than 60. That means brute forcing here. Wait, actually, I think brute forcing is not a good idea. So I think it's okay. Okay, I'll just try. 48, does it work? No, right? 72. Oh, okay. So K prime is equal to 5, right? Now if K prime is equal to 5, then it's 75 times 4. Yeah. We have 75. What is 75 times 4? It's 300, right? Am I right? Who said it is 25? I mean 300. Of course it's not 300. Sorry. So it's oh wait, it is 300. What am I saying? And then yeah. So let's look at our solution again. So when k prime is equal to when k prime is equal to 5, we have k equals 75, right? But I guess we have smaller answer. So actually the answer that I was expecting was 303, but that's 90 answer choice, so I believe we made a mistake somewhere around here. So let's check it again, where we might have had potential mistake. 48, 75. Is 75 divisible by k prime? Is 75? Or maybe there was something error here. Sorry about the confusion. I think I made an error in the middle. So we have 4k is equal to 15k prime, right? Am I right? But here, actually, starting from here, we could actually try and brute forcing. So first case, k equals 15. It works, right? When k equals 15, it definitely works. Am I right? But we want to check if that is true for here too. So when k equals 15, we have x equals 63, right? And it works for the first case, it works for the second case. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for the third case, so we can exclude this case. And the second case is equal to when k equals 30. 30 is the smallest choice, right? Because 4 and 15 are co-prime to each other. Yeah, so there's nothing wrong with doing that. Okay, anyhow. When k equals 30, what should we try? Should we try if this is right? Of course, the first one works, and definitely the second one works. However, let's see. Let's check if 120 is divisible by 24. Is this true or not? Is this true? And yes, that is true. So our answer should be C. Wait, let me quickly check if I got it right. Um, oh wait, sorry. Sorry. I forgot to add three. I forgot to add three. Sorry. Answer is 120 plus three, which is D. Yes. 오케이. So, 네, 지금 다시 설명드리도록 하겠습니다. 네, 제첫 번째 걸 보시면 x는 4k plus 3라고 될 수 있죠. Did everyone understand until here? 여기까지 이해하셨죠, 다들? 네. 네, 그러면 이제 4k plus 3를 여기다 집어넣을 거예요. So we are going to substitute it here. plus 3. 자, 그럼 저희는 이러한 식이 나오죠. 근데 4와 15가 서로수이기 때문에 k is congruent to 0 mod 15이라 될 수 있어요. 그러면 여기서부터 사실 다음 것도 집어넣고 유클리드 호재법 사용해서 답을 구하는 게 맞긴 하지만 그러면 진짜 대학 가서 배우는 제가 다른 곳에서 넘버 티어리 코र्스 들었을 때 했던 그 방식이거든요. 근데 그게 생각보다 상당히 복잡하긴 해서 그냥 brute forcing 딱 AMC 8에 맞게 brute forcing을 해보면 we have k는 15가 될 수 있고 30이 될 수 있고 45가 될 수 있고 다른 숫자가 될 수 있지만 if k equals 15, the last case is not satisfied. However, if k is equal to 30, the last case is indeed satisfied and thus our answer x is equal to 123 because 4 times 30 plus 3 equals 123. 그래서 정답은 D가 됩니다. 네, 근데 사실 제가 지금 드린 이 솔루션은 어, 네, 이해 못 하셔도 전혀 문제가 되지 않아요. 이거는 네. 그 오피셜 솔루션에도 이렇게는 안 나와 있을 것 같긴 해요. 네, 이거 제가 푼 방식이라서 수학적으로 틀리진 않았지만, 어, 수학적으로 틀리진 않았지만 이게 오피셜 솔루션에는 이렇게 나와 있진 않을 거예요. 그래서 I'm going to now explain it in the way that AMC8 problem makers make their problem. So 이제 AMC 네, 괜찮아요. John is totally fine. But now I'm going to explain it in like AMC 8 way, and I expect you guys to understand the second method. 제가 그래서 조금 더 쉬운 방식으로 그 어려운, 무서운 기호들 있잖아요. 그거 안 써보고 한번 풀어볼게요. Okay, so first, let's say that the total number of donuts 이거 제가 도넛 쓰기 귀찮아서 이렇게 썼는데 다들 이해하셨죠? equals x라고 해봅시다. Now x를 4로 나눴을 때 we divided x by 4. x를 4로 나눴는데 we have something and then our remainder is 3. But it's the same for 15 and it's the same for 24. 자, 혹시 여기까지 이해 안 되신 부분 있으실까요? Did everyone understand? Yes or no? Can you guys? Okay, so thank you. Assuming that all of you understood this part, 사실 여기서부터 It's AMC 8 and 여기서부터 그냥 사실 다 대입해보면 돼요. 대입해보면. So 대입이 무슨 뜻이냐? So like we can substitute. Okay, so our choice A is 60, right? 자, 저희가 이 답을 보면서 정답을 체크해 볼 거예요. 근데 let's look at choice A. choice A는 60죠? Let's substitute x equals 60. A는 x가 60라고 했는데 x가 60면 our first case, this one. 이게 성립되지 않죠. This is not satisfied, right? 그래서 A는 답이 아니다. B는 x는 63. 첫 번째 거 성립되고 두 번째 거도 성립됐는데 but the last one, our third case is not satisfied, right? 그래서 B도 정답이 아니에요. 근데 C도 보면 x는 120인데 첫 번째 거 성립 안 되고 두 번째 것도 성립 안 되고 세 번째 것도 성립 안 되니까 we definitely know that this is not the answer. Now let's check for D. When x is equal to 123, our first case is satisfied, second one is satisfied, the third one is indeed satisfied, so the answer is D. 이렇게 푸는 방식도 있습니다. 아마 오피셜 솔루션에는 이렇게 올라와 있을 것 같긴 해요. 혹시 다들 이해되셨나요? Did you guys understand? Or do you guys have any other questions?
I understand.
Oh yeah, thank you, thank you. Um, so first method 첫 번째 방식은 조금 더 수학적으로 접근한 방식이긴 한데, 네, 괜찮습니다. Let's solve number seven. We're actually running out of time, so let's solve number six, number seven, and number eight, and then I think we should wrap up our session today. Okay, Jay and her sister are both under the age 50. Jane is 1 year younger than half of her sister's age. 9 years ago, both of them had the age of a perfect cube. How old is Jane's sister? Okay, so this problem, let Jane's sister age be equal to x. 괜찮죠? Now we know that Jane, so Jane's sister age is x. Now let's look at Jane. How old is Jane? Jane is 1 year younger than half of her sister's age. So it's x over 2 minus 1, right? And also, x is less than 15. That's what the problem told us. 네. 9 years ago, both of them had the age that was perfect square. I mean, perfect cube. So minus 9 was like something cube, and x over 2 minus 1 was something cube. I just restated the problem, and do you guys have any questions, or did you guys understand? 네, 질문 없으시죠? 네, 그러면, okay, let's try. Let's try. Um, when b is, let's say, b is equal to 1. 사실 이런 문제는 그 작은 것부터 대입을 해보는 게 속이 편하실 수 있어요. To make your life easier, let's try when b equals, um, b equals 0. Does b equal 0 work? Thank you, thank you. Mr. Jian told us that x equals 2. However, this doesn't work. Now, next case is when b equals 1. x equals 4. This still doesn't work. 자, 0, 1, 2 안 되는 것 같죠? 그러면 좀 과감하게 한번 딱 던져봅시다. b를, let's say like 7. 7 is too big. 너무 커요. Because if b equals 7, x is greater than 50. 자, 그러면 좀 줄여서 how about 5? 5 is way too big. How about 4? Does 4 work? I don't think 4 works too, right? Okay, then how about 3? Even 3 is too big because x is less than 50. So, Mr. Jian, he told us that b equals 2. So x equals 8 times 2, which is, oops, 9 times 2, which is 18. But notice that this also doesn't work. This doesn't work either. And the reason is because 9 is not a perfect cube. Then what should be our next value? Is when b equals 3, right? We have 27 plus 1, which is 28, times 2 is 56. Oh, but we know that when b is equal to 3, it doesn't work. 자, 그러면 b equals 0, 1, 2, 3가 다 안, 1, 0, 1, 2가 다 안 되죠. 그 뜻은 저희가 문제를 잘못 읽었다는 뜻입니다. So, 다시 한번 천천히 읽어보면 Jane and her sister are both under the age of 50. Uh, Jane is 1 year younger than. 아, why didn't you guys tell me? 왜 다들 말씀 안 해주셨나요? 여기가 1이 아니라 네, 9입니다. 오케이, 그럼 다시. 네, 제가 지금처럼 이렇게 실수를 하면 예, 바로바로 말씀해 주시면 감사하겠습니다. 오케이. 근데 당연히 B, like from when B equals 3, it doesn't work because like it gets even bigger, so it doesn't work. 네, 딱 B는 0일 때 X는 we get we get X equals 18, right? Okay, so someone told me he was believing in me, but please don't trust me. Like I don't have like solution. 제가 사실 이 문제를 가져왔는데 이 문제에 대한 답안지가 없어요. 그 답은 알고 있는데 그 답안지가 없거든요. 그 해설지가 없어요. 그래서 제가 풀어야 되기 때문에 어 제가 실수를 할 수도 있습니다. 저도 사람이기에. 다음 거는 x equals 20, right? 아, 근데 이것도 안 되네요. And this one is x equals 34. Is it right? 근데 왠지 34 될 것 같아요. Like this is our only chance, right? Um, equals 20. 11 doesn't work. When b equals 2, we get 17 and 34. What is 34 minus 9? What is 30? What is 34 minus 9? 35? I think it's 25. But notice that 25 is not a cube of a number. That means we have other case, we have different case. 어, 여러분, 왜, 왜 말씀을 안 해주셨나요? 제가 잘못 썼는데 왜 다들 말씀을 안 해주시고 죄송합니다. That was my last mistake. 네, 다시 계산을 해보면 please, like please guys. 네, 제가 사실 일부러 실수를 한 겁니다. 일부러 실수를 해서 네, 답을 해주시길 바랬는데 네, 오케이 오케이. When b equals 1, we have x equals 11, 22. When b equals 2, we have x equals 8 plus 10, 18, 36, right? 36 minus 9 equals 27. So this works. Does this work? No. Does this work? No. Then that means x equals 36. So how old is Jane's sister? Is E. Let me quickly check the answer. And yes, that is indeed the answer. So 지금까지 다들 이해되셨나요? Did you guys understand? Thank you, thank you. 네, 제가 마지막으로 이거 8번은 조금 빨리 풀 수 있을 것 같아서 네, 이거 8번까지만 하고 오늘 마무리하겠습니다. 네, 이제 이 8번은 사실 이거 계산하신 다음에 소인수분해 해도 전혀 문제는 없어요. You guys can do that. You guys can calculate this and prime factorize it. However, 혹시 이거 다들 이거 아시는 분 있으신가요? 이거 그 인수분해하는 거. 사실 이거 인수분해하면 이렇게 나오거든요. 네. 이거 아마 고등학생 때 안 배울 거예요. 아마 이거는 경시할 때만 나오기 때문에 뭐 알아두시면 되게 유용하고요. 그래서 we know that 6 to the power 4 plus 6 squared plus 1 is equal to 6 squared plus 6 plus 1, 6 squared minus 6 plus 1, which is 36 plus 6 plus 1, 43 times 31. Wait, did I make mistake somewhere? 36, 42, 41, 30. What is the sum? What is the sum of the prime vectors? So 43 plus 31 is equal to 74. So our answer is D. I mean E. And is that the right answer? And that is the right answer. 네. So that was 자, 오늘 사실 10번까지 풀려고 했었는데 네, 시간이 별로 없었네요. So next in okay. So next Monday we're going to do the problems that I'm going to send you as the problem sets. Please do them and like today those are like preview assignments, so it would be really nice if you guys finish your preview assignments and then join here. I think that's more productive than just like looking at the solutions, right? So I think trying each problem on your own first, and then like because if you guys solve few problems in here and then if you got the right answer, then you guys can explain it to all of us, and that would be really nice. So 네, 그리고 제가 마지막으로 해드리고 싶은 말씀은 제가 말씀드렸다시피 이 문제와 답은 저에게 있어요. 근데 아직 해설지를 만들지 못했기 때문에 숙제는 제가 항상 두 가지 있잖아요. There are two homeworks, like always. First one is review. 제가 그 리뷰 다시 말씀드릴게요. 그 like not many of you like quite follow the format. So 네, 이렇게 종이가 있으면 여기 질문을 작성해 주시고요. 여기 약간 키워드, 약간 뭐 중요한 이론을 사용했다든 중요한 정의를 사용했으면 그걸 여기다 딱 적어 주시면 됩니다. 그 다음부터 you can start your solution. 여기 solution 적어 주시면 됩니다. 네, and then second one is preview. 제가 6문제 정도 또 보내드릴 건데요. 이 preview, this is quite important. And the reason why this is important is because we're going to go over them on next Monday. And uh, I mean, it's really nice to try the problems on your own first before looking at the solution. So that's why uh, I only give you like 6 problems. And yes. And like number, wait, which problem was it? Was it number 7? Yes. Like number 7, please forgive me, and please forgive me if I get it wrong. Um, and also, if I made mistake while explaining something, please let me know. Please let me know. Like, 네, 제가 만약에 예를 들어 어느 문제를 풀고 있는데 뭐 x 더하기 3은 2x 더하기 7이다 이 문제를 풀고 있는데 제가 I'll write it, 3. 제가 만약 사실은 이렇게 쓰는 게 맞잖아요. 근데 제가 실수로 마이너스 3은 2x 하고 x는 마이너스 2다. 이렇게 간혹가다 이렇게 쓸 수가 있어요. 왜냐면 like I usually think ahead when I solve problems. 제가 이걸 보고 이거를 생각하는데 제가 설명할 때는 이 단계를 건너뛰면 안 되잖아요. 그래서 저는 제 머릿속에는 이게 있고 말을 할 때는 이게 제가 설명할 때는 이게 있고 제 머릿속에는 이게 있는데 가끔씩 제 머릿속에서 오류가 날 수도 있어요. 그래서 실수로 이렇게 오타가 나는 경우가 있는데 이런 오타 같은 거는 그냥 넘어가 주시고요. 제가 7번 같이 오타가 아니라 문제를 잘못 읽고 계속 잘못된 풀이를 이어가고 있다. 그러면 바로 멈춰주세요. Like, please stop me. Like, because by stopping me, you guys can save our time, right? So, yes. Also, one last thing. I really want to say this to everyone. Even though I'm a mere high school student like you guys, I don't think it's a really matter of being me a high schooler, right? Because uh, so what I want to say here is if you guys couldn't solve the problems, or if you guys think you're going to be late, or if you guys cannot join a session, I think it's really important for us to know it, right? Because I don't think it's a matter of you guys, no, it is not a matter of you guys respecting me or not. I think it's a matter of you guys being quite responsible or not, because if you guys don't leave me any message, or if you guys don't say anything and then just don't and not come to class or don't do your homework, I don't think that's a matter of respecting someone, but being responsible in your own schedule, right? So I just wanted to quite mention that one again. 네, 그래서 음, 제가 한국어로 짧게 말씀드리면 네, 오늘도 그랬던 것 같은데 네, 많은 분들이 저에게 네, 늦으면 늦는다? 못 오면 못 온다. 이 말씀을 많은 분들이 안 해주셨어요. 네, 물론 해주신 분들도 계시고, like, I'm really grateful for that. Like, I'm really thankful for someone who messaged me. 네, 문제 다 못 끝낼 것 같다. 라고 말씀해 주신 분도 계시고, 또 오늘 못 올 것 같다. 참석 못 할 것 같다. 영상으로 보겠다라고 말씀해 주신 분들도 계신데, 네, 제가 그분들에게 진짜 감사드립니다. 근데, 그냥 아무 말도 없이 늦으시거나 아무 말도 없이 뭐 문제를 안 푸시거나 아무 말도 없이 심지어 안 오시는 분들도 간혹 계시거든요. 네, 물론 저도 아직 고등학생이고 아직 어린 학생이지만 그거는 저에 관한 서로에 관한 리스펙에 관한 문제가 아니라 그 responsibility에 관한 거인 것 같아서 네, I just wanted to quite readdress that a little bit. 네, please don't get hurt and please 네, 제가 이런 말 했다고 네, 기분 나빠하지는 말아주시고요. 네, 그냥 다음부터는 약간 저에게 조금 더 말씀을 많이 해주셨으면 좋겠습니다. 벌써 제가 이렇게 문제 설명해 드리면서도 혹시 문제를 푸셨는지 아니면 이해되셨는지 질문이 있으신지 제가 여쭤볼 때는 또 답을 해주시면 저에게 큰 힘과 도움이 됩니다. Then 제가 7분이나 늦었네요. But thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much for coming and please send me your assignments for Monday. And thank you and see you next Monday. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.